I'm Subramanian. Everybody knows me, Subu. I run this photography firm under the name Saycheese Captures. So I've been shooting for about 5 years professionally as a company. I learned photography while traveling India through an organization, Chennai Mission. So that's where it all began. I've been doing wedding photography professionally. I have a team. I've done about 300 weddings. There's so many things which I never knew. Like I all my clients who come up, they come up say I love the way you use lights. I thought I used lights. Now Lakshman proved me wrong, completely saying this is not how you use light. He just pointed out 7 different simple steps to use that light, and I'm sure that's going to create so much difference in the way I would perform on the weddings that I'm going to shoot now. And today Selva, like I always knew Lightroom is like Microsoft Excel. The more you use, there's so much more it comes. Like it just keeps evolving. There's so much that you can do with a single tool. And Selva been practicing this for about 8 years, 10 years, and he's certainly a master in it. And there's so much to learn from a simple image, how something spectacular can be done. As far as I know, everybody is going to just not going to tell you everything. And this is a place where they tell you everything. That is the biggest takeaway of an Evolve workshop. So, like when you come here, when you sit with this team where everybody is self-made or everybody is inspired, and it inspires you to just be around this office space. So, this Evolve, it's like cannot be put into exact words, but your takeaway is phenomenal. But what I would personally recommend to anybody who has taken this is, if you don't implement it, it's just another course. So I was one among the few implemented what I learned, and I saw the result in just 2-3 years post my memories workshop, which was the first Evolve. So this is a fantastic place to learn, to unlearn and relearn.